Welcome back to This Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to display alerts to your dashboards on Grafana. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Grafana, just click the Create Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Displaying Grafana alerts on your dashboards can be very useful for keeping track of important system conditions or metrics in real time. But before displaying alerts on the dashboard, you need to set them up. You need to create or edit a dashboard panel. Alright, now by creating the panel, is going to the Grafana instance and navigate to the dashboard that you want to work with. I'm going to choose the on-call insights where you want to set up the alert. And of course, from here, you need to add a new panel or edit an existing one. All right. Now, once you've done that, the next thing is we need to define the alert rules. Now, on the panel editor, just click on the alert. And from here, we need to create new alert. We need to go here in alerts. All right. Now here, we need to click alert, and maybe we're gonna put something like this one. All right. Of course, we have a separate video on how to create new alert. We're not gonna deal with this on this video. You might want to check that out. But what I'm going to do is skip this part and show you that the save alert already. Now, once you have done the new alerts, all you're gonna do is go to the alerting. Okay, this one, and navigate to the notifications channels. All right. Now, here, the next thing that you need to do is go to the notification channels, like your email, for example. It's going to be Slack, etc., where alerts will be sent. All right. Search by matchers here, and you can search by contact. For example, it's Grafana default email. All right. Once you've done that, you can choose the alert manager. Is it going to be Grafana or the Grafana cloud? After that, go to the dashboard, and of course from there add a panel and select alert list from the panel options. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.